So today's tutorial is going to focus on Just2Easy, in particular J2Write, which is a lovely word processing program aimed at foundation phase. So if we type in Hub and we click right at the very top of our search, here is the Hub public page that anyone would see if they came here. And we're going to go to login and type in your username, basically your surname, your initial of your first letter of your name, and then possibly a number, and don't forget the all-important hubcymru.net, and then type in your password here. The children should all know them. If there's any issue with this, please just contact the school and we'll be able to sort that out for you. And now here we are on the child's page as they would view it. Just2Easy is over here, and it's also on the waffle on the top left. We're going to go in through the front today, Just2Easy. As I said, we're going to focus on J2Write. You could go into J2Write this way, or you could go into JIT5 here, which also has the Write program right at the top here. So we're greeted with a choice of templates. Whatever we choose here is going to be the background of what we're about to write. So lots of different ones here: beach, iceberg, jungle. The nice thing with this as well is that over to the left here, there are a bank of words which we'll look at later which relate to the background here. So if we wanted a beach, we just quite simply click on beach. As I said, there's that background of words, just click in there, and then we have a background of beach. We may want to start do a different one here, so click on new and choose a picture. It's really good because there's a lovely web search here which is very safe, protected by a very good firewall. So there's limited options. So if we typed in Cardiff, for example, we could have a picture of Cardiff, hopefully as our background. We could also upload something from a file that's already on the computer, or we could take a picture. So sorry to frighten you, and obviously that would take a picture, that would be our background. I suggest that we don't do that. But here is our background. We've chosen the beach. So lots of lovely options here. All great stories, as we all know, start with once upon a time. And if we look over to the left, we can change the size of the font very simply, like that. We can change the style of the font, of plain, of cool, posh, comic, fancy, writing, and obviously the colour. I'll go with a nice purple. And as I said, here's the bank of words. So as the children are writing a story, there's lots of words. There's a word bank here related to the background that they have. And really lovely, you'll see that this speech bubble comes up and we'll actually say the word for them.
Sand. Sea.
Okay, and you notice that it adds, when I click on it, over to the story. So if I want spade, that adds to the story over here. So once upon a time, there was a spade. If you look at the top right as well, there's that speech bubble again, and it will read the story.
Once upon a time there was a spade.
So the children can check their work as they're going along. We obviously need a title. Let's call it The Spade. If the children are unsure how to spell it, we can also record that title here. The Spade. Press OK. And there we are. It's now recorded. The Spade. And they are the main options that we have here. And if we look at this bank of words again, as it carries on and on and on and on, there's lots there. Create a new document. We can load something that we've already done here. So anything that you save here will automatically go into My Files here and be saved. And then we can reopen it here. We can publish it, or we can print it. So in a nutshell, that is J2Write. Hopefully you'll find that very, very simple to use and the children will really enjoy it.